Welcome back to my channel, Cozy Green Living. Your space for a beautiful, budget-friendly plant decor ideas. In today's video, we are transforming simple living room corners into warm, inviting spaces filled with lush plants, soft throws, and cozy cushions. Whether you live in a small apartment or a spacious home, these ideas will help you to create peaceful corner you will love to relax in every day. First one is add life with greenery. Let's start with the heart of cozy decor, that is plants. Choose right plants that thrive indoors like bohos, peace lilies, rubber plants, or snake plants. These only not clean your air but instantly make your space feel alive. So place them in a woven baskets, ceramic pots, or macrame hangers to add natural texture. You can also group plants of different heights, tall ones beside the sofa, small ones on a stool or side table to create a balanced and flow. Second one is layer with throws and cushions. Now that you have added greenery, so it is time to make the corner feel warm and soft. Drape a chunky knit throw or fur blanket over your chair or couch. Mix and match cushions in earthy tones like green, beige, mustard, or terracotta. The key is layering textures, velvet, linen, and cotton for the cozy, lived-in look. Third one is light up the mood. Lighting plays a huge role in creating cozy vibes. Use warm white fairy lights, lanterns or table lamps with soft yellow bulbs. If you have space, place a vintage lamp beside your plants. It highlights the green tones beautifully. For an extra magical efforts or effects, wave string lights through a trailing plant like ivy or bohos. Fourth one is style with personality. As you know, cozy corners are all about your personal touch. So add a small wooden shelf with mini potted plants, framed photos, or scented candles. Include a book stack a ceramic mug, or even a vintage lantern for character. If you love DIY, try reusing old jars as a planters or decorating with driftwood and moss. Remember, the goal is not perfection. It is comfort, warmth, and personality. And that's it, your perfect cozy living room corner. With just few plants, a throw, and some cushions, you can create a space that feels peaceful, warm, and full of life. My dear friends, if you enjoyed these ideas, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow plant lovers. Let's make every corner of your home a cozy green retreat. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.